Tiptoe bridge pose. Sit on your toes. Then lean back on your head. Hands in chin mudra. Deepening your breath. Relax your back. Be aware of your breathing. Be at peace. Slowly come out of the pose and finish.